This platform is called June. All right. And it says private AI on your Mac. And we're just going to explore it. Um, I don't know what claim they were making, but they are backed by A16. So maybe they're decent at least. Um, let's look at their Twitter really quick. Meet June. June bundles it all in one: an agent plus chat, voice dictation into any app, automated meeting notes, and private OSS and anonymized frontier models. Open source. Open source. So this is open source. Open source and local first. So here's the GitHub. Theoretically, they have 284 stars right now. It looks a lot like Claude. Looks a lot like Claude. Image generation through the same private routing as everything else. So it has private routing. Okay. All right. So their value proposition is that it's private and it has all of the same tools as the platforms you love. And I'm pretty sure this is bring your own key. I'm pretty sure. Let me go to features. Yeah, okay. So $0 is free, $20 a month. Notes for every meeting, daily agent session, schedule routines, all cloud models. So they offer cloud models, but I'm gonna bring my own API. Okay. Can I bring my own subscription or do I need my own API key? That's gonna be what we're gonna answer. So let's go ahead and download this. Download things at I want you to help me build a custom marketing plan for my new AI service called Fully Managed Websites. So you have a space where you can input the instructions. It's saved to character.md. Tell your agent who it is. Connectors, you got the Google connector for right now, installed skills. Okay. So is this like OpenClaw? External skill directories, MCP servers, about. Yeah, so they're very, very new tool. Very, very new tool. Very, very new tool. Let's do Ocean. All right, so let's test this out. Sandboxed or unrestricted, you can change any file your account can. What does that mean? They have a section for meeting notes. They have a section for projects. They have a section for dictation, and they have a section for routines. Okay. So let's do this. Let's create a new project. What we're gonna do is create the views agency. Let's dictate. I want you to help me create a marketing plan, a go-to-market plan for my new service for my creative agency called Fully Managed Websites, where we will plan, build, manage, host, and maintain our clients' websites for them completely under one subscription, one affordable subscription. It's asking me questions. This is a great offering done for you. Websites as a who's your ideal client? Small businesses. Does your creative agency already have existing content? Yes, we already. Do you have a price point in mind for the subscriptions? $100, $300 per month. We have private mode. Private mode with zero data retention. No prompt data is stored, shared with a third party, or trained on. So that could be, what draws you to this. We've used 1% of this. We have 2 million tokens on the free plan. So I would go ahead and test it out. I mean, I don't see why not. Let me build you a comprehensive go-to-market plan. Like this could be something that you have off to the side. That's like a private AI. If it's truly private, when people say private, sometimes it just doesn't always be truly private. But the answer is an open source harness you can inspect and verify. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. We are going to sick. Look at this. So I have this button up here that has one running. So I can run another one. Let me see. I can run another one and it'll show up right there. Let's do a new session. I need to plan a marketing event in my hometown community that will help promote my business, but also give back to the community in some way. Help me do this. Our website is theviewsagency.com. Use that to learn about us. All right. So we're going to put another one, and we got two right there. So if we minimize this, then we see both of them are there. We see what they're doing, browsing. This one is editing files. I really like that. I really, really like that. I wish I could zoom in on this for you guys. Let me see. Maybe I can. Yep, there it is. All right. So this right here is what I'm talking about. This thing, June has a question. Like this is a very nice addition. And this is how the Codex Pet should be operating. Like seriously, which hometown? Wow. What kind of give back feels most? It looked at the website, got the context. What type of give back feels most authentic to you? Free branding design workshop, pro bono brand package, donate to a local nonprofit, design scholarship, or mentorship for local students at school. Charity fundraiser event for a portion of proceeds donated. Charity fundraiser event. I really, really like that. If I'm being completely honest, like I really like that hovering thing. Hovering thing. All right, so it came up with the plan. Went through the context, came up with the plan, editing files. So how can I see what files this thing has inside of it? Like where? Okay, right here, files. Okay. Let's see this. All right. So what's the idea? Create a marketing plan. This is the marketing plan. Okay. Add-on services upsell. So I'm not gonna use this. All I really want is your website completely handled. Go to market strategy. That is what I want. Launch. All right. So this is the event that it came up with. Oh, this isn't real. We did a mock brand for them. Stonecrest Fest. It's October 4th. I built a complete event plan. Brand Builders Stonecrest, Creative Economy Night and Charity Fundraiser. A one evening event in Stonecrest where TVA showcases its creative work, headlined by the Stonecrest UR Design, offers free speed branding consultations, and runs a live silent auction for design packages. 3 zones at the gallery. That's not going to. That's not a good event. See, the thing about AI, like, it doesn't know what humans like. It doesn't know what humans. I don't know. Is it broken? I asked it to code something and it's not really doing anything. But let me know if this is truly private. I don't think this is doing anything. So I'm gonna rule this a break. So it can't use something like a canvas in here, I'm guessing. Feature requests. Canvas for the agent to code artifacts for me. Some report. And that's how you help a product. You give your feedback. Even if it's not good. Wait. Hold on. We spoke too soon. We spoke too soon. It's actually going. Editing files. Huh. Let's see. Did it finish? Okay. June stopped because your balance ran out. Oh wow. Okay. Well, we used up everything. We used up everything, but let me know what you guys think about it. I mean, what is up with this thing? I think give it about 3 or 4 months and they make a few rounds of updates, I think it'll be a much better platform. But if it is truly private, which I will let you guys know inside of the community, make sure you do join the community. If it is truly private, that would be a good benefit to it. So we'll check that out. But this was a quick stream, guys. I appreciate y'all.